Raiz, the popular micro-investing app, is designed to make investing simple and accessible, especially for beginners. A common question among users is whether Raiz actively rebalances its investment portfolios. The short answer is yes, Raiz does rebalance your portfolio, but it's important to understand how and why this happens. Raiz offers several preset portfolios, each built from a mix of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and designed to target different risk profiles, from conservative to aggressive, as well as socially responsible options. When you first choose a portfolio, Raiz allocates your money to these underlying ETFs according to specific target weights. For example, a moderately aggressive portfolio might target 70% in growth assets and 30% in defensive assets. Over time, due to market fluctuations, some of your investments will perform better than others. This causes the actual weightings of the ETFs in your portfolio to drift away from their original target allocation. If left unchecked, this portfolio drift could expose you to more risk than you initially signed up for. This is where rebalancing becomes necessary. Raiz's investment philosophy includes regular monitoring of its portfolios. When the allocation to a particular asset class deviates significantly from its target weighting, typically a percentage band around the original target, Raiz will trigger a rebalance. The process involves selling a portion of the overperforming assets and using that money to buy more of the underperforming assets. This strategic action brings the portfolio back in line with its intended risk profile and target allocation. The aim of this routine rebalancing is to maintain the portfolio's original risk level and ensure it continues to align with the strategy you chose.